Hazrat Ya'la bin Umayyah radiyallahu anhu narrates that he heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reciting these words on the pulpit like this: Nadu ya maliku liyaqdi alayna rabbuka. And Qatada says in Mathalan lil akhirina. Mathalan means reminder. The other says Muqrinin, controller, as is said. Falanun maqrinun li falanun. So and so has control of so and so. Al-Akwabu, goblets. Awwalul Abidin, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has got no progeny. I am the first one to defy it. It is read in two ways, Rajulun Abidun and Abidun. And Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu reads, وَقَالَ الرَّسُولُ Ya Rabbi wa yaqalu awwalul Abidin. Here Al-Abidin means those who defy, and it is from Abida Ya'badu. Qatada says Ummil Kitab means the complete or the real book. Shall we then turn away the remembrance from you, for that you are a people extravagant? Musrifin here means the polytheist. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as the people in the beginning defied the Quran. If it had been raised, we would have got ruined. Therefore, we destroyed those who were stronger in power than these, and the example of the earlier peoples has gone before. The chastisement afflicted on the earlier peoples, Juz'an, equal. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4819.